Hi, Preston Sandlin of Home Inspection Carolina, and today we're going to show you how we can inspect some roofs. Obviously we'd like to get on ladder if we can, but if that's not safe, we can use drones. So in this video, Nelson is going to show you, he's pretty proficient drone pilot, how he can inspect the roof with a drone. So here we go.
Nelson here, Home Inspection Carolina. There's a couple of shingles and some debris and some ground loss on the roof of this house. Let's take a look.